Hey everyone, did you know the corporate lifestyle is taking a toll on our health? An estimated 16,737,000 people lose their lives every year due to unhealthy work habits. Let's not be the next victims. Here are 10 deadly work habits you need to avoid to live a longer, healthier life. First up, sitting for more than 2 hours at a stretch. A sedentary lifestyle can lead to body aches, obesity, and heart problems. Take short breaks, stretch and walk around, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Next, drinking chai or coffee throughout the day. Most cups are loaded with sugar, giving you peaks and crashes in energy. Switch to green tea or black coffee instead. Third, eating vending machine snacks often. These snacks are high in calories and trans fats, which can lead to heart disease and diabetes. Carry some fruits and dry fruits instead. Fourth, picking meals based on convenience. Eating out or ordering in every day is bad for your health and wallet. Learn meal prep or invest in a home cook if you can. Fifth, spending 95% of your time indoors. This can disturb your biological clock and mental health. Get involved in outdoor activities or take daily walks. Sixth, neglecting your mental health. High-stress environments leave little time for self-care. Set boundaries, take alone time, stay active, and seek help if needed. Seventh, not drinking enough water. Dehydration leads to headaches and tiredness. Drink at least 3 liters during working hours. Eighth, delaying physical fitness. Don't wait until you're settled to start working out. Exercise for 1 hour 3 times a week. Ninth, overworking. Working beyond 8 hours can lead to chronic fatigue, anxiety, and depression. Balance is key. Finally, smoking. Nicotine actually increases anxiety. Replace smoke breaks with stretching and walking. Don't become a statistic. Cut down on these unhealthy work habits and spend more time with your loved ones in the future. If you found this helpful, share it with your network to help others live a healthier life too. Thanks for watching.